Welcome to the Choral floor plan. This beautiful one-story home includes 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms and 1 powder room, an optional private study in place of the second bedroom, a formal dining room, a generous family room with a corner fireplace, a large open-concept kitchen with a walk-in pantry, and a cozy breakfast nook, all that interact perfectly with the outdoor covered patio. The master suite of the Choral includes a private bathroom retreat with a separate shower, a soaker garden tub, dual vanities, and a huge walk-in closet. This incredible new home also features a walk-in laundry room, plenty of extra storage, and a 2-car or optional 3-car garage. And because Lennar is the only home builder in Nashville to offer everything's included homes, the Choral also includes all of the energy features, kitchen appliances, and luxury designer upgrades that you've come to expect from Lennar. For more information on this amazing new home, or for directions to any of our Premier Nashville Communities, visit lennar.com.